In the vast, blue expanse of the ocean, there once lived a tiny sardine named Sardi. Sardi was smaller than the smallest grain of sand, yet she had a heart as big as the ocean itself. One day, a fierce storm swept across the sea, causing the water to churn and swirl. Sardi, caught in the midst of it, felt scared and helpless. The other fish swam away from the storm, but Sardi found herself carried towards it. As the storm raged on, Sardi was swept into a whirlpool. Panic set in, but then, something unusual happened. Sardi was pulled down into the deepest part of the ocean. To her surprise, she found herself in a calm, peaceful place, unlike anything she had ever seen. In this hidden corner of the ocean, Sardi met a wise old octopus named Oktavius. Oktavius was known throughout the ocean for his wisdom and his ability to communicate with all the creatures of the sea. "Why have you brought me here?" Oktavius asked Sardi, her voice trembling with fear and confusion. "You have come to learn," Sardi replied Oktavius. "The storm was not meant to harm you, but to show you the way." "The way?" Sardi asked, her curiosity piqued. "Yes," said Oktavius. "There is a path that leads to the heart of the ocean. A path that only the bravest and the wisest can find." Sardi felt a surge of determination. She wanted to find this path, to see the heart of the ocean. With Octavius' guidance, she embarked on a journey through the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. They faced many challenges along the way, but Sardi's courage never wavered. She learned to trust herself, to trust Oktavius, and to trust the journey itself. Finally, they arrived at a beautiful, shimmering cave. Inside, they saw the heart of the ocean, glowing with a soft, warm light. It was a sight to behold, and Sardi felt a sense of peace and fulfillment she had never known before. "This is the heart of the ocean," said Oktavius. "It is the source of all life in the sea. And now, Sardi, you know its secret." "Thank you, Oktavius," said Sardi, her eyes filled with tears. "I will never forget this journey, or the lessons I have learned." And so, Sardi returned to her home, smaller than the smallest grain of sand, yet with a heart as big as the ocean itself. She carried with her the knowledge of the heart of the ocean, and the courage to face whatever storms might come her way. And the moral of this story is, no matter how small or insignificant we may seem, we all have the potential to discover greatness within ourselves. We just need to be brave, be wise, and never give up on our journey.